Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today video is going to be a great unboxing Lexus LM300. Watch till the end and share as much as possible. Thank you. This car model Lexus LM300 2.4 liter hybrid 4 seat. So let's start unboxing it. I am starting to open the box. So I have unboxed it. Lexus LM300 is ready to come out. So now, luxuriously crafted in anticipation of your every need, every Lexus is built to deliver exceptional comfort, performance, and safety. The LM300H pairs an ultra smooth 2.5-liter 4 cylinders petrol engine with a powerful self-charging electric motor to deliver 197 horsepower with maximum fuel efficiency. Lexus LM is the flagship luxury sedan, the flagship luxury GT Coupe LC, the full-size luxury SUV, and the luxury LY. It is the fifth flagship product released by Lexus following the Lexus. The LM because the LM flagship minivan. It has the same equipment as the modulistic complete car, royal lounge set in the Alphard and Welfare, and has a luxurious four-seater setting.